If the I-stop light is on or flashing in your Mazda vehicle, it means that the start-stop system is not working at the moment. It may be because of two reasons: because the conditions for the start-stop system are not met, or because there is a problem with the start-stop system equipment. First of all, it may be because you turned on the AC, for example, and the temperature outside is pretty high, pretty hot, and the temperature inside your car is hot, and you set the minimal temperature on the AC, so the AC will keep on working and the car will not turn off the engine at the intersections, because it needs the AC compressor to keep working. And when it achieves the desired temperature, then it will start stopping your engine at the intersections. Or when in winter the car is cold and you set high desired temperature on the climate control, you may see this I-stop light, but it will not be flashing, it will be just illuminating on the dash. In most cases, when this light is flashing, it's all about your 12-volt battery, so it's about the battery in your car. I-stop system, which is the Mazda start-stop system, it's not really good with batteries, especially if you drive mostly in the city traffic. So you have short driving cycles, and when you start the car, it uses the charge in your battery, and then when you drive 5 or 7 minutes and it stops, the battery doesn't have a proper time for charging, and step by step this battery will come to the end of its life. So if the voltage in the battery drops really much when you start the car, the smart charging system in your Mazda will feel this and will not keep using the I-stop. It will not turn off the engine at the intersections, and your I-stop light will be flashing because there is a problem, because it doesn't activate the start-stop system for a reason. I know that the average lifespan of batteries in Mazda cars is about 3 years, and I even know several Mazda owners who replace the batteries every 1 or 2 years because the batteries die really fast thanks to this I-stop system. Also, newer Mazda vehicles have auxiliary batteries, and these auxiliary batteries may also cause the system to not activate start-stop, to flash I-stop light on the dash, because the alternator will be working hard to try and charge the auxiliary battery. So what I recommend when you have short driving cycles is to get a good battery charger and charge your battery sometimes, like once every 6 months, 8 months. This will prolong the life of your battery, but be careful and charge your battery with the proper charger and with the proper mode on this charger, because if you have the AGM battery, which is pretty standard for most modern Mazda vehicles, and you will charge it with the simple battery tender that doesn't have this AGM mode, you will kill the battery even faster, so be careful with this. And if you see this I-stop warning light flashing very often, you may just need to replace the battery, because if you don't replace the battery and it keeps dropping the voltage every time you start the car, the problems will escalate really quickly and you will have all other warning lights and messages on the dash of your Mazda.